Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the microphone sound test of the Redmi Buds 3 Lite. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound is going to be. So let's go ahead, start with the test and then talk more about it. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that we're going to get when you're riding the bike. So the wind is going to hit the microphone directly. Hopefully the sound is audible enough. And the background sound is going to overpower. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor open. In this scenario, there is a lot of wind coming in, but it will not go inside because the mic is inside over there. So the main sound that you'll be getting is the background sound. Hopefully that's not too overpowering and my sound is audible enough. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the helmet on and the visor closed. In this scenario, wind is not allowing, but background sound will be there a little bit, but main problem is the echo. So your own sound creates so much of echo that itself I will hear my sound crackling, it will be too loud. So in these scenarios, you can always talk in a lower volume, that helps, but I don't know how good the sound is going to be. I'm actually talking very low because of my echo. You'll be hearing me loud and there will be a lot of crackling sound. Hopefully that's not too much. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test. We are standing outside in small 70 water fountain here. This is a Redmi earbud. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So we are outside Eden Mall and Aminora Mall. A lot of people, a lot of traffic. I think it's very heavy right now. Too much of honking. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in the mall. A lot of people from the food court right now, trying to find a place where avoiding a lot of people's spaces, so privacy issue. So hopefully my sound is audible enough. There is a lot of sound coming in my screen, from the people around me, children, TVs, the music system, etc. etc. So hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too loud. Okay, so you guys have seen the video, you've heard the sound. So no matter what scenario I used it in, the sound was not that good. So I did not like the sound that much. All the background sound was coming in, all the disturbance was coming in. There was a lot of echo in the helmet scenario. So no matter what situation I used it in, I was not really happy with it. So, anyways, it's for 2000 rupees. So, for 2000 rupees, you get good sound. The bass is good on this. The sound quality is really good. The fit is very nice. I really like the fit. Mic wise, I'm not that happy. So, that's all that I have to say. You can see the video yourself. You can decide for yourself if this is going to be good for you or not. The entire sound was coming from here, from this earbud. So now you know how you will sound to others when you're on phone calls or if you're doing a video recording. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, if you want any other suggestions. If you want to know about other earphones in similar price range with better mics, go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and the comment, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.